Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the environment ready. Install Xcode and the Game Porting Toolkit, and update the Mac OS SDKs so tools match Apple's runtime. Once done, bring your game's source or binary into a dedicated project folder and run the toolkit's initial compatibility scan to generate a baseline report. Make sure to note missing APIs and platform-specific calls. This scan tells you what needs translation or shimming and gives you a prioritized list of what to tackle first. You now perform the meat of the port. Run the toolkit translators to convert unsupported system and graphics calls, then import those patches into your build. While building, update Xcode project settings for 64-bit Apple Silicon runtime and link against provided shims. This lets the game run on Mac OS with minimal source changes. Once compiled, launch iterative test runs with verbose logging and profiler captures, so you can identify performance hotspots and functional regressions to fix next. Finish by validating the game on multiple Apple machines and configurations, checking controllers, audio, and file I/O. Once stable, optimize. Tune threading, GPU submission, and memory paths to meet performance targets, then create a release build, notarize, and archive debugging symbols. If you hit crashes, reproduce with the toolkit's verbose trace, compare against the baseline scan, and look for missing shims or ABI mismatches. Often a single unsupported syscall or misaligned struct causes runtime failure, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.